I didn't see you there, sorry. Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. My name is Estrogen, and I want to talk to you today about my recent personal experience skating the Moxi Beach Bunny. So we had a big meeting in New York City, and we were so excited about this meeting. So excited so that I couldn't sleep the night before. My alarm didn't go off, and I almost missed my flight. I got to the airport, and I had just made it to the gate by the skin of my teeth, and I realized I forgot my roller skates. I was so disappointed when I found out that I did not pack my skates. So we went to this new skate park in Brooklyn, right near Five Stride Skate Shop. Check them out, Rada Skate Shop, owned by two skaters, Bonnie and OMG. And about a couple blocks away from them, they opened up this new skate park called Substance. And Substance has the coolest mini vert ramp and the most buttery mini ramp. And I found out about all the convenient places to skate in New York City without my roller skates, and I was like, I gotta buy a pair. I wasn't gonna have time to actually pick them up at Five Stride before they closed, so I called the store, paid over the phone, and Big Booty Elise, my homegirl in New York, went and picked those up for me and met me at Substance. So the only thing that I did is swap out the stock 78A wheels for the Estro Bowl Bombers. And the reason why I did that is because the surface of Substance is birch, and birch tends to be a little bit softer than Skate Light. And a soft wheel with a soft floor means you're working harder than you really want to or are used to working. So I changed them for a 101A wheel, and the experience was awesome. I didn't have grind blocks, I didn't have wide trucks, and I didn't break them in yet, but they fit me. And I just realized, like, there are so many benefits that I should be telling people about when it comes to the Beach Bunny skate. Me, Elise, and Bowser all skated, and I met Bowser for the first time, and we all did triple backflips, and it was a super fun day. And I really like the weight of the skate. Weight on your feet actually adds to the body awareness in a backflip. The weight made me feel like, oh, the landing's coming. Like, I can feel my feet the whole way. It was awesome. The toe stops are adjustable, which is great for me because I like them to be all the way up there because I still use them all the time. They're so rigid that you can literally throw your ankles at the coping and develop new tricks. These are like armor for your ankles. And I remember I developed this like little, I don't know, habit. I like go front side to the coping, and I like smash my one right ankle into the coping, parallel to the coping, and then I flip to backside. And I learned that on the Beach Bunny. The stiffness, the rigidness makes it so much easier to balance on one foot. Oh my God. Like, when you have a lot of ankle support, it's almost easy to jump from like one foot to the other because your ankles aren't like doing this while you're on the coping. They're like straight and stacked because your legs and your ankles, you know, are so well braced. It's so much easier to do like a straight one-footed move on ramps, which I found to be amazing. So then after that really wonderful session, across the street from Substance, there's more Substance. There's another building, and there's a roller skating school there that my friend Blue runs. And Blue taught us all these moves, and my friend Fatima and John Ortiz was there, and we were dancing and just balancing on one foot generally when you have a ton of ankle support. So much easier. Like, my hurricane kicks were high, and it's because I felt really stable one-footed and pivoting on the two back wheels as I was doing the hurricane kicks. Anything where you like really want to keep your lower leg bones stacked over your ankles and you really want to sink into something like a sit spin, or you want to balance on one foot, a lot of ankle support gives you just like the ability to be able to do moves that a flexible boot does not give you. I really appreciate this skate. Like, after going back to it, I'm like, dang, this is a good skate. I'm glad we made this skate.